I get into got a couple pallets, which is actually pretty nice, but they got this, it's thicker. So you know, a lot of these pallets I've been getting are thin, so nice. I got a whole bunch of these slats like this, so it's perfect for this project. All right, I was able to get all these the same width, so same thicknesses. This is just an old piece of shelving material that I had sitting around. Make for a good tabletop, at least one side. This side's kind of dinged up, so this will be the top. All I'm gonna do now is just frame it in exactly like I do a lot of these projects. You know, it'll be like that. Frame it in with the pallet wood. All right, as I kind of frame this thing in too, when I'm cutting these, see all this right here? I'll take my file and knock that off of there so it's smooth. All right, got it all framed in now. The top's gonna roughly look. I'm gonna sand it all down though. All right, so 2 legs cut here. Yeah, these are boards that I ripped from the long parts of the pallets. So this one didn't rip so good, but I'm gonna use this portion of it for the legs. So making all my legs the same. Just line up the end here. Make my mark, and slice it. All 4 legs cut. All right, now I'm gonna take these, stand them up in the corner and nail them in. I'm actually gonna nail from this side that way because this is hardwood and then likes to go in and then kind of bounce that off a little bit. So I'm gonna try nailing that way and that way just to get it tacked in. I'm gonna switch lengths for brad nails too. I was using this 1.25 inches for tacking these together. See, these kind of see it sticks out a little bit because that wood's so dang hard. It doesn't care for the brad nails that much, so I'm just getting it tacked into place, and then I'll put some screws or pallet nails in there. I gotta add here, I'm not a big fan of these star patterned screws, but I had them laying around. They work freaking awesome. If you ever see these on sale somewhere at a discount, they're beautiful. So I just got that one screwed in there, but man, they sink good into anything, and just really good screws. I don't know, the star pattern's fine, but God, these are great. I have a feeling they're expensive because they work so darn good, but anyway, if you see that, these are great for this kind of stuff. Right now I'm just going to put some cross members in there, some X's to give it some stability. I got some little guys here that work great for these stiffeners, kind of like that. Make an X over here. Kind of see what I did here. I cut 45s on all those. I'm gonna do the same for all 4 sides. All right, I got stability that way. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece and put it across this way. Kind of keep it from going back and forth that way. Actually, what I did is I went ahead and put those down there. cross member there and just drill the screw in there. Okay, I'm pre-drilling some holes now. I'll put some screws in there. I got some used motor oil here, a little rain in it.